If you've just set up your WordPress site or find yourself a little unsure about how to log into your WordPress admin dashboard, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through the entire login process, making sure you know exactly what to do and why so you can confidently access your site and get to work. By the end of this video, you'll be able to log into your WordPress admin dashboard using the method you registered with, whether that's with your email, Google, or another provider, and you'll understand the little prompts along the way. Alright, let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your web browser and go to the WordPress login page for your site. Usually this is just yourwebsite.com followed by /wp-admin or /wp-login.php. Type that right into your address bar and hit enter. If you're brand new, don't worry if you're not exactly sure of the address. Just double check your site URL, and most hosting companies will send you the correct login link in your welcome email too. Once your WordPress login page loads up, you'll see a few different login options depending on how your site is set up. Some sites will let you log in simply with a username and password, while others, especially if you registered with a service like Google, will give you extra options. Here, where it's really important to pick the same method you used when you first registered. Think of this as remembering which key you used for a locked door. You want to make sure you pick the right one because that's the quickest way in. In my case, I actually registered this WordPress account using Google, so on the login screen I look for the option that says Continue with Google. If you used another service like Apple or your email, you want to click on that matching button. It's really important to stay consistent here. For example, if you used Google when you signed up, that's how your WordPress will recognize you fastest without any confusion. Now, after clicking Continue with Google, the page will prompt you to choose your Google account or log into Google if you aren't already signed in. You might see a list of your saved Google accounts, or if you only have one, it'll take you straight to confirmation. Pick the email you used to sign up for WordPress. This step is all about security. It's just making sure you're really you, so your site stays protected from any unwanted visitors. If you have multiple Google accounts, double-check that you're selecting the same one linked to your WordPress. If you choose the wrong one, WordPress won't know you, and you'll just get sent back to the login page. Once you pick your email and confirm, sometimes Google will ask you to verify your identity, maybe with a code or a quick extra check. Don't worry, these steps are there to keep everything secure. After that, you'll be brought right into your WordPress dashboard. Give it a moment. Sometimes logging in can take a few seconds, especially if your browser is doing a background security check. If it takes a little longer, just be patient. And that's it. You're now in your WordPress admin dashboard, ready to manage your website, write a new blog post, or customize your theme. If you run into any trouble, just make sure you're using the exact login method you registered with, as that's the most common hiccup. I hope this walkthrough made logging in less mysterious and a lot more approachable. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or get stuck anywhere along the way, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And if you want more helpful WordPress and website tutorials, don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and happy website building.